What's up, YouTube? Here with another video of featuring the July car pack. This one I'm going to feature the 2014 Nissan Juke Nismo RS. I think it's a little odd to be. It's odd looking, but it looks neat, I guess. I wasn't a real fan of these cars when they first came out, but as long as it has 3 pedals, and as long as it's a Nismo, hey, I'm okay with it. If y'all heard, Nissan put a GTR engine in one of these things to make it even, I guess, better. But it's only thing I know is it's a concept. It's called the Nissan Juke Nismo RS 2.0. Basically, what it is, it's an all-wheel drive beast. So I'm gonna take it on a quick test drive and get the exhaust clip recording and go to the next car meet, which is, I believe, Cisteron. Right here. So here it is. 2014 Nissan Juke Nismo RS. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with the 6th and final car pack of the Forza Horizon 2 July IGN car pack. Like I said, I'll be posting more videos in the coming weeks. It might not, in the coming days, it might not be every day, but it'll be like every other day because I'm busy. I'll be busy working a couple days this week, and check back for even more. Peace.